Breaking news reporting from News 9 at 9. American biologist Oswald Avery Jr. dies at age 77 from natural causes in Nashville, Tennessee.
Today, our newscast is dedicated to this brilliant scientist's life who is credited with multiple breakthrough discoveries, including the discovery that DNA contributes to the genetic makeup of each and every one of us.
Avery was born on October 21st, 1877, in Nova Scotia, Canada. He spent most of his career at Rockefeller University in New York City. Rockefeller is a private university that has a large focus on biology and medical science. He was one of the first molecular biologists in immunochemistry, which is the study of immune systems in all living organisms.
Avery is credited with an incredible breakthrough discovery concerning DNA and what purpose it applies to living organisms. His experiment was based off of the research and data collected by Frederick Griffith in 1927, who discovered the transforming principle through an elaborate mice experiment. Avery collaborated with scientists MacLeod and McCarty on the research of DNA, and later working together on very successful experiments. Together, they focused on the unfamiliar subject of inheritance. There, they discovered DNA carries genes and is the only component of living organisms that passes on heredity.
Thanks to Avery and his team's discoveries, biologists all over the world are more aware of the functions of DNA and its relation with inheritance. Currently, we are showing you a detailed diagram of Avery's experiments. This diagram shows you viewers at home the step-by-step process which leads to Avery's discoveries and many more. Hershey and Chase soon followed up with Avery's experiments in 1952, leading to the discovery of their own, this time concerning viruses rather than genes in DNA and its negative effects. This discovery leads to many more, such as Watson and Crick's discovery of helical structures.
Sorry, my producer just handed me a paper. It says, it appears we have an interview coming live from Nashville. Our reporter Drew is with Oswald Avery IV, Avery's grandson.
I'm really going to miss Oswald, but it was really cool seeing him being admitted to the Canadian Hall of Fame.
Thanks, Drew. Also, thank you, the viewers, for tuning in early this morning and celebrating Oswald's life and his achievements with us. It was a pleasure looking back on major scientific breakthroughs from Avery and other brilliant scientists.
I'm excited to see what the future holds. Make sure to tune in tomorrow at 9 to get the latest updates of what's going on around the world.